Hello friends, are you facing Telegram not connecting problem? So here is the fix. So first of all, we will go to Play Store option. Let's find it. Play Store is here. Tap on it. Search Telegram. Now update if it is available. Either go back. Now you just simply go to phone settings. Yeah, phone settings option is here. Tap on it. Now tap on apps. You can see here. Tap on it. Let's click on app management. You can see app management is here. Let's tap on it. Now find Telegram. Tap on it. Now tap on forward stop. Tap here. Then go to storage usage. Tap on it. And then clear cache. You can see 2.3 MB are here. Let's click on clear cache. Now you can see it is showing as 0. After that, click on manage spaces. You can auto remove cache, cast media, private chats, group chat, channel chats, stories. You have to choose, select this. Go back. And the most important thing which you have to do is, let's go to mobile network. Let's click on it. Tap on mobile network. Switch off the mobile data. You can see it is already on, but in case in your phone it is off, then you have to make this option on. So let's off and then on. Sometimes you have to switch it off and then switch it on. Go back. Restart the phone. And then we are good to go. So here problem is fixed. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.